watching an Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you a yummy and delicious recipe with only 2 ingredients, with bread and chocolate. Now take a bread and cut any shape you like. I'm taking a cookie cutter and cutting it. If you don't have a cookie cutter, take a lid too. See how wonderful I have cut the bread. Let's try some other shapes too. It's looking good now. Likewise, we cut all the remaining bread. You can use brown bread also. Dairy milk is one of my favorite chocolate. How many of you like dairy milk? Comment below. Let's break the dairy milk into small pieces. It's ready now. Let's stuff the dairy milk into the bread. You can paste the corners with some milk. Seal it well with the milk. You can stuff Nutella instead of dairy milk. Now take a pan and put some butter. Once the butter melts, add the bread slices. Let it cook on a low flame. Roast well on both the sides. A nice golden brown color came. Now it's ready. I'm going to serve it. It just took me 2 minutes to cook this. It is so easy and the kids love this. Now my yummy and delicious bread is ready. Now I'm going to taste it now. The chocolate is melted so well. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.